Twinkle moon. Famous scientist. Can you guess what I discovered? I'm Albert Einstein. I figured out how energy and mass are connected with my famous equation, E=mc². What do you think I found out about gravity? I'm Isaac Newton. I learned how gravity works when an apple fell from a tree. Do you know what I discovered that helps sick people? I'm Marie Curie. I found special elements that help doctors treat cancer. Can you guess what I used to see the stars? I'm Galileo Galilei. I improved the telescope and found out that the Earth goes around the sun. What do you think I invented to light up your room? I'm Thomas Edison. I made the light bulb so we can have light at night. Can you guess what kind of power I helped create? I'm Nikola Tesla. I helped make the electricity that powers your home. Do you know what I studied about animals? I'm Charles Darwin. I found out how animals change over time to survive. Can you guess what I made so people could talk from far away? I'm Alexander Graham Bell. I invented the telephone so people can talk over long distances. What do you think I found out about peanuts? I'm George Washington Carver. I found lots of ways to use peanuts, like making peanut butter. Do you know what I helped find about living things? I'm Rosalind Franklin. I helped discover DNA, the code inside every living thing. Can you guess what I designed to help people fly? I'm Leonardo da Vinci. I made plans for flying machines and studied the human body. What do you think I learned about space? I'm Stephen Hawking. I studied black holes and how the universe works. Can you guess what I discovered with a kite? I'm Benjamin Franklin. I found out that lightning is made of electricity. Do you know what I studied to learn about animals? I'm Jane Goodall. I studied chimpanzees to understand how they live. What do you think I made that helped computers? I made a Lovelace. I wrote the first program for computers a long time ago. Can you guess what I learned about plants? I'm Gregor Mendel. I found out how plants pass down traits like color to their kids. Do you know what I discovered to make food safe? I'm Louis Pasteur. I found out how to keep milk safe by heating it, called pasteurization. What do you think I helped discover about DNA? I'm James Watson. I helped find out the shape of DNA, which makes up all living things. Can you guess what I helped with at NASA? I'm Katherine Johnson. I did math that helped send astronauts to space. What do you think I explore in the sky? I'm Neil deGrasse Tyson. I study space and help people learn about stars and planets. Can you guess what I found out about magnets? I'm Michael Faraday. I found that electricity and magnets are connected, helping create electric motors. Do you know what I created that lets us explore the internet? I'm Tim Berners-Lee. I invented the World Wide Web, which lets us go online. Do you know what I invented that brings pictures to your home? I'm John Logie Baird. I invented the television, so you can watch shows and movies. What do you think I invented that helps big machines work? I'm Rudolf Diesel. I invented the diesel engine, used in trucks and ships. Did you enjoy learning about these famous scientists? Explore more exciting videos on our channel, and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!